Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Inna and I am a nail master. I like to do manicures and draw beautiful designs on nails. So I've decided to make videos where I can show you step-by-step masterclasses. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell button not to miss new videos. Today I'm working with these hands. Here we have a very bright summer manicure. All day this client is in contact with water with her hands, and despite this the coating was holding wonderful. But the client has an injury on one nail, so this is the situation. The nail is high enough away from the nail bed, but I'll fix it, so stay with me till the end, it will be interesting. I remove the old material and correct the length. The client is very happy, she has never worn the coating for so long before. Because of her work, the material constantly peeled off from the free edge. Now everything is great, as a master it is of course very pleasant for me. I use a nail file to shape the free edge and round the corners. I pass the file over the surface, removing the gloss from the overgrown part of the nail plate. I remove the old material. I also remove the material from the injured nail. The client was injured not now, it was a long time ago. All the time there was a void under the nail. So she came to me already with an injured nail. The problem is that moisture gets into the void. This is the ideal environment for the reproduction of microbes. So every time I remove the material completely, I take away the nail over the void and carefully clean everything. Here such a spot of a bad color appears. This is dirt that has accumulated in the void. This all needs to be removed. I use the nail clippers to remove the nail above the void. I work very carefully. You can see that the skin is slightly reddened. This is a process of an inflammation. The client feels a little uncomfortable, but I still need to remove everything above the void to clean it up. I constantly treat the nail with antiseptic. I don't want to leave this nail like this while I'm filing the rest of the nails. I want to close the void. I carefully clean all the dust. Already applied the primer. Now I apply base coat in a thin layer on the remaining nail. I have an antifungal gel. It has antifungal and anti-inflammatory characteristics. That's why this gel is ideal for such a nail. I take a small amount of gel, it is very thick. I put the gel on the nail. Distribute it over the void and a little to the natural nail. Remove the sticky layer. I file it, leveling the surface. Now both the client and me can relax. She no longer feels any discomfort. Here's a nail that turned out. It remains to extend it and strengthen. But first I need to do a manicure. I also applied primer to the rest of the nails. I applied the primer layer of the base coat. I will extend the injured nail by using the polygel. I extend it without any support. The polygel is dense and it allows to perform this task perfectly. I've already leveled the free edge. I made an oval shape. Now I make a strengthening layer with a camouflage gel. Now put a drop of gel on the apex zone and spread the material over the surface. Reduce it to a minimum near the cuticle. I also minimize it on the sides and at the free edge. The rest of the nails are also strengthened with the camouflage gel. I file out a natural nail from the bottom with a bead, because due to the fact that the client is constantly in contact with water at work, the free edge peels off. I remove the natural nail to prevent this situation. I draw a smile line with the white gel paint. Today we will make a French manicure, that's why the strengthening was done with the camouflage gel. We will draw daisies. I use white gel polish to draw the flower petals, connecting them in the center. I add greens between the daisies. With the dot movements, not drawing anything carefully, I add a green color between the flowers. I darken the middles with a black gel polish. I shade the black color a little on the petals. I draw the middles with a white color. I paint over the middles with yellow. I shade each middle with a black gel polish. I cover up all nails with a top coat. I draw the top row of the petals with a white gel paint without a sticky layer over the top coat. I draw petals with simple strokes. Subscribe to my Instagram, let's be friends! And we've got such a manicure now. The work is done, the client is happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, I'm waiting for your likes. And if you like the design, leave a flower in the comments, I will be very pleased. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There are many interesting videos ahead. And click the bell to watch them first. That's all for today. All the best and have a good day. Bye bye!